This is Test Kitchen Quarantine. We're gonna go over a few simple dishes, a few tricks you can do during this quarantine period. A lot of restaurant suppliers are willing to ship directly to you. Now this means that the protein is most likely going to come frozen. One of the ways that I like to defrost my proteins is place it in a bowl and run it under cold water until it defrosts. Or place it on a sheet tray and put it in the refrigerator until it defrosts. These are the safest ways to defrost your proteins. So don't go putting them in a microwave. Now here's a quick and delicious dish using defrosted steaks. Roast some broccoli separate. Sear the steak, let it rest, then slice it. Finish them both in a soy glaze sauce. You can bring the dish together with white rice. I like to finish with a little bit of kimchi and garlic chips. Kimchi is fermented so it lasts a long time and it's really healthy for you. This dish is beef and broccoli with white rice, kimchi, and garlic chips.